Welcome to Spy Educare. Fun with Learn. This video is all about India's 28 states, 9 union territories and their capitals. India is in northern eastern hemisphere. India is in south part of Asia continent. Welcome to India. New Delhi is a capital of India. Mumbai is a financial capital of India. International land boundaries sharing with India. Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Tibet, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka. Water boundaries sharing with India. South, Indian Ocean. West, Arabian Sea. East, Bay of Bengal. India's 28 states and their capitals. Himachal Pradesh. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Uttarakhand. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. Punjab. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. Haryana. Chandigarh is also a capital of Haryana. Rajasthan. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Bihar. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Jharkhand. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. West Bengal. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Sikkim. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Arunachal Pradesh. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Assam. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Nagaland. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. Manipur. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. Mizoram. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. Tripura. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. Meghalaya. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Chhattisgarh. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Telangana. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Andhra Pradesh. Amravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Karnataka. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Goa. Panji is the capital of Goa. Kerala. Tiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. India's 9 union territories and their capitals. Ladakh. Leh is the capital of Ladakh. Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar is the capital during summer season and Jammu is the capital during winter season. Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Chandigarh. Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of Delhi. Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Silvassa is the capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Daman and Diu. Daman is the capital of Daman and Diu. Puducherry. Puducherry is the capital of Puducherry. Lakshadweep. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep. Andaman and Nicobar. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar. Thank you and visit again. Thank you for watching this video and keep watching Spy Educare for more latest videos.